Hello and welcome to my channel. Until now, my videos were silent, but I wanted to share more than just colors on the canvas. Adding my voice is a way to bring you closer to the feeling behind each painting. I hope it makes our time here even more inspiring and enjoyable. I chose a black canvas for this painting. Starting with a dark background adds depth and mystery to the scene. Most of the time, I cover the canvas with black acrylic paint and let it dry completely before I begin. It creates a beautiful contrast for the colors to shine on. Trying new things in painting is always exciting. Every experiment helps us discover our own style. So don't be afraid of mistakes. Each step is part of the journey, and it makes your art uniquely yours. I like to use a simple sponge to paint the background and the first layers. It makes the process faster, and at the same time, it creates a soft, beautiful blur on the canvas. For the next layer, I switch to a larger brush and gently shape the leaves and branches. This way, the trees begin to come alive with more depth and detail. Art doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be honest. The more you paint from your heart, the more your style will shine through. Even when a painting doesn't turn out the way we imagined, it's still a step in our growth. Each canvas is a safe space to explore, dream, and create freely. When I paint the tree trunks and branches, I thin the paint a little with water or medium gel. This helps the brush glide smoothly over the canvas. For the distant trees, I use lighter and softer colors, while the closer trunks appear darker and more defined. This contrast creates a sense of depth in the painting . Colors, textures, and shapes are like friends. We get to know them better each time we experiment, and little by little, they help us tell our own story. To paint the grass, I use a brush loaded with paint and tap it gently and repeatedly on the canvas. In the distant areas, The strokes are smaller and closer together. As the grass comes nearer, the strokes become larger and more spaced out, creating a natural sense of depth. To capture the sunlight on the raised parts of the land, I brush gentle highlights across the grass. Shades of green, yellow, and orange that make the scene glow with warmth and life. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Please share your country in the comments. It would make me so happy and proud to see how far this little painting journey can reach. Every brushstroke is a conversation with the canvas. Sometimes it surprises us, sometimes it teaches us something new, but it always moves us forward. I begin by shaping the river with deep tones, giving it a strong foundation. Then, with a small round brush and lighter colors, I add flowing details, letting the water come alive and reflect its quiet movement. With gentle strokes, I bring light to the tree trunks, making them stand out against the scene. And with a fine brush and thinned paint, I let the branches grow freely, adding the final touch of life to the forest. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this painting, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.